就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。嘿，今天要介绍的客家音乐真的太有趣了，这来自于黄振兴 and 阿比白乐团哦。而这首歌叫做《雪梨之歌》。嘿，为什么不是在写台湾呢？是因为几年前他们被邀请去澳洲演出，思念台湾而写出来的歌曲啦。我们先来听听吧。
And 來是你， and 來是你，錯落太太嘅背行機。And 來是你。and 來是你，來到了三分相思。and 來是你， and 來是你，澳洲嘅人情當真似。and 來是你， and 來是你，打領江有嘅你，翻山過海到了春涼嘅雪梨。日頭辣辣，有的上限土伊，看到條的緊條閃，基本忘記唔會客氣。拄到篤啊，來自烏標咱台灣比 A B C D E F G。and 來是你 ，and 來是你，澳洲嘅人情當成痴。and 來是你 ，and 來是你。
ABCDEFG, a Hakka song with an international twist. What's going on here? Well, this is brought to you by Huang Zhenxing and Abibai Band, and they were invited to Sydney a few years back, and while visiting Australia, they really missed Taiwan so much, so they decided to write a song about their passion and strong emotions for their native land, and through their music to pass that Hakka culture far and wide. So let's hear it again. This is the Sydney song.
山川了後，思念故鄉嘅了你。識來識去，還想阿妹的秘密。三日了後，思念故鄉嘅東西，帶來帶去，喊你台灣較美麗。and 來是你 ，and 來是你，做老太太嘅背行機。and 來是你 ，and 來是你。
哎呀，飞来飞去还是台湾最美丽啦 ！That is today's Hakka music on ICRT。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.